What's up, everybody? I'm SGF95 Fighter, and today I'm gonna show you how to make TikToks with VRChat. First off, the first thing you want to do is wait. Hold on a second. This is YouTube, not TikTok. There we go. That's much better. If you come here from my TikTok, this is my YouTube channel. I do quite a few things here. If you're just here from YouTube, then yes, I do TikTok. Come and follow me right here on TikTok. Now to get into the meat of this video, how to do VRChat TikToks. Because there's not a lot of people doing VRChat TikToks on TikTok. So, as a means to show you guys how to make VRChat TikToks, I'm wanting to be able to share this knowledge so I can see more people join TikTok, because I really want to see the creativity that all of you people have. I want to see more VRChat TikTokers. First off, you need to figure out what kind of TikToks you want to do, whether it is lip syncing, dancing, or just plain old random messages, anything you want to do. Just figure out what you want to do before you start diving into the how to do it. Once you got your ideas and once you know what you want to do, there are a couple ways you can record your TikToks. You can either set up your phone on a tripod in a pitch black room and record off of your monitor, your VRChat window on your desktop. Or the way I do it is I use OBS Studios. The free program you can get to record any games or any windows on your computer. Is also good for live streaming. Set up a scene and a source file in OBS to be able to record your VRChat.exe game window. Record your TikTok. If you're doing a lip sync, you can have the sound playing either on your phone or in your headphones as you're lip syncing and doing your TikTok. Same going with if you're doing a dance or literally anything. Record your TikTok with OBS. Once you've recorded your TikTok, the next step is to bring it into an editing software to break it down, take out the best takes you like, and do any other special effects you want to do with it. I highly recommend this step, but you don't necessarily have to. Bring your footage into any editing software that you have. I'm using Adobe Premiere, but most other editing softwares will work. Edit your video down, and if you have the song or the sound you want to use, you can put it into the video itself to synchronize the sound with your footage. Add any other effects you wish to make, such as color correction, and then export that bad boy. Once you've exported the video, there are a few different ways you can bring that video file onto your phone. You can either email it to yourself and download it onto your phone. You can upload it to your Dropbox and download it onto your phone. Or you can move the video onto the iCloud and then bring it onto your phone from the iCloud. Next step, open up TikTok. Go down to the bottom to create a new video. Then you're going to want to hit upload in the bottom right corner of the screen. Find your video in your camera roll, wherever you put it, and put it up there. If you've edited the sound you want to use into the video, you can still link up the sound. Go down to sound and link up the same sound, and then go into volumes, turn the soundtrack volume all the way to 0, and keep the original volume at 50%. You can increase it to make it a little bit louder if you want to, but it's not necessary. It's not needed. And then after that, we'll add any other additional features onto it, and that is a very basic TikTok. But wait, SGF95 Fighter, how do I do duets? Well, that is a very good question indeed. Same deal as before, bring it into your editing software, download a video of the duet itself that you want to duet with, or duet the video and save that video so you can overlay your video on top of that. And if you want to get rid of the TikTok logo on the bottom and top of it, there are some neat tricks to be able to do it. If you're doing a second duet on a video, it's very easy to crop up the top and bottom. If not, a little bit more of a more complicated way to do it. And it does take a bit of time and effort. But that's essentially how you do it. Same deal as before, export it, bring it up. Remember when you're uploading your duet to tag it as a duet and mention the person you're duetting it with, because you want them to see your duet with them. And it also gives credit to the original creator that you're duetting with. And that's essentially how you do it. So, I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all really enjoy yourself today, and I'll talk to you all later. Bye bye.